Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, if you watch the previous video where we set up this 20,000 capacity tarpaulin pond, you'd see that we just mounted it in the previous video. Today we are going to be fixing the outlet. That's where the water will be flowing through, and we have all the necessary equipment that we're going to use here already. We are using the 3-inch drainage system. You might be wondering, why are we using something big like this? Why not the small one? Now for this capacity, it's very good to use something that's big enough. You don't want, while discharging your water, it takes forever to discharge, and this, like I said in the previous video, is a very big one. It's a 15 by 10 by 4 feet, so the drainage has to be top notch. So don't make the mistake of using something smaller. You have something big like this. So I'm going to be showing you the how you can fix your drainage system in this video. So let's go. The first thing is we want to do the overflow. So in case the water overflows, you won't have to worry that your fish will leave the tank. So that's what we are doing here. Up, and we leave a space of 1 feet on the top. If you need a professional to do this for you, just call us.
Those kingdoms we had, baby, they collapsed long before we reached their heights. And those castles we built were never down on my luck, sulking down the street from where I stay. You came up to me, made a face, walked away, but I took that as everything would be okay. So let's steal your dad's car and drive down.
So we are done with doing the overflow. Like I mentioned earlier, that's where if you open your water or rain falls and you're not around, the overflow is where the excess water will pass through so that your fish will not leave the pond. And now we are about to do the main outlet where you drain the water when it's dirty. So like I mentioned earlier, we are using a 3-inch pipe. We are using that because of the size of the pond and because of the volume of water that the pond is going to take. You don't want to use something smaller than that. If you are going to use something smaller, then you have to make sure that you have 2 outlets where you use to drain your water. So in order to not spend more, it is better to use a bigger pipe. That's why we're using the 3 inches pipe. Like I have mentioned, if you want to do this by yourself, maybe you are just doing 1 or 2, when you want to cut it, make sure that you don't want something that the tear is much, so that there is no leakage by the time we are done. So what we are doing now is using a new blade to pick a spot to where we are going to put the outlet. And the logic behind we choosing the spot where we are using is the spot where it seems slopey. That's where we are picking to put our outlet. Why slopey? Because it should be easy for the water to drain easily, at least to a certain level. When you want to drain it, you don't want to pick somewhere that is higher than the other place. That's where we are picking a slopey point. So that's what we are doing now. We are starting with the first one down to the last point.
Colors on a big screen. I'll sit back and watch you for hours. And to me, you're a blanket on my chest, keeping me safe from the sun or the cold in December. You're the flowers in May and the stars we sit under now. I don't ever wanna let this go. I don't ever wanna let colors on a big screen. I'll sit back and watch you for hours. And to me, you're a blanket on my chest, keeping me safe from the sun or the cold in December. Flowers in May and the stars we sit under now. I don't ever wanna let this go. I don't ever wanna let this go. And I'm never gonna let you go. So believe me when I say that watching you is like watching a sunset on replay.
So I just finished the 20,000 capacity tarpaulin pond in Lokoja, and here I have the representative of the owner of the farm, engineer Adegoke, here with me. Welcome, sir. What do you think of the project so far?
Yeah, the project is a quality one. The delivery is fast, and from the quality of works that I see here, I can see a very nice quality. And I would recommend this company for everyone that wants to go into this kind of business. You know, I really appreciate their professionalism. Is they are highly professional, and they've been on ground since these ponds have been around, and they've been coordinating. You can see they've been, right. You've been coordinating the laying out, the site layout, pipings and all that. So I think they've done a very good job. So we are expecting to stock the ponds any moment from now. You can see we are already channeling the waters inside the ponds. So in the next couple of days, we are going to fill up the ponds, and we get started. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So if you want to build your pond, whether you want to start a catfish farm or you want to start a poultry farm, whatever livestock farm you want to start, I am here to deliver to you a very good one. So from here, Lokoja, Kogi State, Nigeria, I say au revoir.